Today we are seeing if we can tell if duck eggs are fertile or not. I've got 3 to crack open and test. These 2 were found outdoors in the duck coop area that was intended for the ducks. This kind is sort of whiter looking and this kind is a little bit blue-green looking, so I can tell they are 2 different ducks. And I'm curious if either is fertile, which we will be able to tell if there's a little white dot on the yolk that has another sort of donut-y shape of white around it. And then there's this one additional egg. I wrote on it so I would know the difference. Also a sort of white tinged color. This one was in the chicken coop area. And I would like to know if any of these are fertile so that I can collect the same type of egg from the same place and incubate them. So let's just start with this one from inside the coop. You can see a little bit what I was talking about the in the last video, about how duck egg shells are a little bit waxy compared to chicken shells. When it's broken open, it's a little more obvious. This is because ducks are waterfowl and they nest on the ground, and often, if they're nesting in nature, their eggs will tend to get wet. Now, I see the white dot on this one. It's right over here. And it is not surrounded by a donut-y looking other white area. So I'm going to go ahead and say these are not fertile. This is one from inside the coop. Okay, the whiter one from outside. And of course, after I do any of these videos, I wash my hands really, really well. I don't see the white spot on this one. Maybe it's on the other side. Some people watching this video are going to be like, ew. Oh, there it is. So that's the white spot. Also, I don't think fertile. Bummer. Sometime when I do get a fertile one, we'll be able to make a comparison. And the final bluish one from outside in the duck coop. There's the white spot. I feel like that might be a donut-y ring around it on this one, but I'm not sure. It might just be wishful thinking. What do you guys think? Do you see a bit of a halo around that one, making it look sort of like a bullseye? So this was the bluish tinged one from outside. Perhaps we have a little fertility. All right, time to make some eggs and wash up.